vlog series. So we're starting off a bit different today. We're actually on the ferry, and we're heading over to France, over to Calais.
Look at this.
So last night we stayed in the Premier Inn down at Dover Port. Yeah, Mason had a really uncomfortable bed. But we are just on. Oh. We've actually got the earlier ferry, so we weren't due to sail until 10:05, but we're on the 8:25 because we were so early, because we love to be early. But yeah, so we are down. I don't think we'll be using these today. But yeah, just over in the distance, over there you can see the Premier Inn. That's where we stayed last night. Oh yeah. Oh yuck. Go on then. Anyway, we are going out to France for 8 nights. We've got 4 nights at Disneyland Paris. We're staying in an Airbnb in Serris. I hope I'm not butchering that too much. So we've got 4 nights there, and we're doing 3 days at Disneyland Paris, and then we're driving to a Eurocamp about an hour northeast of Paris, and we've got 4 nights there as well, and we're going to go into Paris. Don't know, we might do Parc Asterix, because I'd like to do Parc Asterix. But yeah, so we're just setting sail. We have pre-booked the club lounge here on the P&O ferry, so that was about £73 for the 3 of us, and you get unlimited food and drink. I believe there is a hot breakfast they're doing, and just a nice relaxing area and a private outdoor deck. So, but I'll show you around that in a bit. Right, I hope my microphone is working. This is my first time using my microphone. So I've got a little lapel pin thing there. Right, I'm going to go get a drink. Pardon? Well, then I'll have to do a voiceover. Right, let's go in and get a coffee. So this is the drinks area in the club lounge. Hot cold drinks, snacks. Oh, they've got cookies. Oh my god, I didn't realise that. There's, oh my god, there's beer as well, and Blue Moon. Wow, and they have got some spirits, premium spirits, and wine. I've got a nice latte, and Mason and I have got a cookie. Yeah, mate. And we're just setting off. So I've gone porridge with a berry compote. Mason and Trevor got cooked breakfast. I'll show you around the breakfast in a minute. Oops. So there is croissants and muffins and porridge, and there's cereals or toast, and then there's cooked breakfast. It's not a huge cooked breakfast, but they've got things like hash browns, sausages, omelettes, bacon, mushrooms, baked beans, all that lot. So we're going to tuck into this. Mermaid spice.
12 quid for a litre of Smirnoff.
Is that cheap?
Yeah. Not like, I don't
By the way, I don't think
I'm looking for the rum. Going on the orange one. So they've got a little video arcade down here. It does have a change machine there if you've got notes. On board the Spirit of France. Hi. Ooh, did you just? And they have got, which is really sweet, they've got a pet lounge. If you're travelling with cats. Family lounge. Oh, they've got a big food market. Cleo.
Moving vehicles on the car deck. Attention à la circulation.
Here we are, we're back down on the car deck.
Please now rejoin their vehicle. You are
Hello, buddy, you alright?
We're back in the car. Everyone's loading back in. Oh yeah, ready to
Rock
head
and
off.
roller.
I don't know whether we've actually arrived in France yet. Can't feel the boat moving anymore. But yeah, we're on our way. We can't check into our Airbnb till 4, so it's going to be,
It's been quite nice actually, nice relaxed.
yeah, it will be probably about 11:15 French time. 12, 1:15, 2:15. Yeah, so we're going to be a little bit early, but we'll just take it slow, stop at some services.
Because I'd like to know what's going on both sides, because I'm a proper driver. Not like you.
So we're calling off.
Scraper.
We're calling off at something called an air, which is equivalent of equivalent of a little service station. But I believe they have toilets and they also have showers and stuff, because you can actually stay overnight.
And slides.
Oh, and little slides. You can actually stay overnight in these airs. A lot of the van lifers use them. So they've got facilities for emptying. Oh, was that? Oh no, it's rubbish. They've got facilities for like emptying wastewater, and he's being stupid.
Grey and black water waste.
Yeah. Yes, they got facilities. Oh, there's the toilets there. Right, we're going to pop into an air. We are 76 kilometres from getting off of the A1. So the boys went and used the air toilet, and they said it was really grim, the men's one. So
all of them, they're unisex.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Oh.
And they've got turds curled out in the bowl.
So
really
anyway, I opted
everywhere in one.
I opted to use the in-van toilet. There's no way I'm going in that. Right, back on the road. Next stop, Serris. Serris? I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Just arrived at the Airbnb. We parked in the underneath parking, the parking garage.
Area.
So this is in Serris, which is literally, well, we're a 25-minute walk from Disneyland Paris if we wanted to walk, or a 5-minute bus ride. So we look out onto the Val d'Europe shopping centre. So we got a sofa bed for Mace, we've got a big TV, loads of storage area. It's very trendy, very nicely decorated.
Very Parisian.
Yes. So there's a separate little toilet in there.
I just went to the bathroom to use the loo and there's no loo in there.
Oh, isn't there? Oh, the loo is completely separate. Ah. We've got a little kitchen area, it's got washing machine, oven, although we plan to eat at Disney, so. And then we go through into the bedroom. It's even got Mickey Mouse bed linen on. Yay! Again, we've got big wardrobe, got hanging area. Yeah, they've got a hanging area there. And the last one, lots of spare bedding. There is a travel cot in there if you need it. Oh, and again another big hanging area. And then it goes through into the bathroom. And we got a bath, which I absolutely love because I love a bath. Oh, storage underneath. Oh, there is an iron there and a hairdryer, which is handy. Yeah, it's really nice. Very nice. So the plan is we're just going to get settled in for an hour, and then we're going to head to Disney, the Disney Village, and grab some dinner because it is 3:15. So by the time we're settled in, it'll be about 4, and we're probably going to walk to the Disney Village, see what it's like walking. So it'll be about 4:30 by the time we get there, and we should be hungry. Don't know where we're going to eat. I have got Billy Bob's buffet booked at 6:30, but since we're earlier, I may cancel that, and we may just maybe have the Earler sandwich or some quick service in the Disney Village. Right, we'll see you in a bit. So we can see the Newport Bay, and in the distance we can see the, oh, that's my watch telling me how far I've walked. In the distance I can see the Art of Marvel. Oh my god, and the Tower of Terror. That's Mason's favourite. You're going on the Tower of Terror? You are. This one's not as bad as the Disney World. Well, you can wait off where Daddy and I go on it. Yeah, look. So here we are at Disneyland Paris. You come in to the back of the Disney Village. Yay! I'm hungry now. Are you hungry?
Very.
We haven't eaten since, what,
Since
10 o'clock this morning?
Club lounge banquet.
Yeah, since 10 o'clock this morning. We're here. Yay, so they got piano. I don't know how you spell that. And Five Guys, just located just outside
Jessie gets
of the security area.
Marmalade. Oh, that's it.
Mason's been translating everything from French to English. Oh, the Disney Hotel looks beautiful.
Is it just ridiculous when you get there?
That's like, I think it's between about £800 and £1,200 a night, depending where you go. So, very expensive.
Just say, apple cookie.
Right, we're going to have a wander through Disney Village. Right, I'm in one of the World of Disney shops. Not the World of Disney, but one of the smaller Disney shops. Let's come in to have a look whilst they've gone to the toilet. There's a lot of copyrighted music in here though, so I don't know how much I'll film. Just having a little look around. These are really lovely, these little Disney rings. So cute. Okay, so we're going with an old favourite, the Rainforest Cafe. See if we can get a reservation. We're not booked into Billy Bob's Buffet until 6:30, so we're going to cancel that. I'm going to eat now because Trevor's getting hangry. Look at the menu. Current one. I'm having the chicken Caesar salad.
Yeah, go with Mummy. She's doing the closure before me.
We're about halfway back.
I just tripped and broke my knee. Definitely.
It's raining a little bit now.
And there's a bomb!
But we're gonna
I'm holding a bomb.
end out the vlog here, the travel day vlog. All I can hear is him behind me. I'm gonna go home, well, back to the Airbnb and have a nice bath and chill out, watch a little bit of YouTube and then go to bed because the alarm will be going off at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for us to get to Disneyland. Well, for us to come to the Disney Village, have some breakfast and then go into Disneyland. Right, I will see you bright and early in the morning.